How to zoom in on part of video. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I would like to make this animal bigger. I don't want to zoom on the screen, but just want that animal to get bigger. Start by going to Effects panel and search for Magnify. Drag and drop Magnify effect into your video. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Magnify, set the shape to circle. Now change the size to a value that you want, and then click on the center property so you can see this blue circle in the middle. In Program panel, drag it into your subject. Go back and increase the feather a little bit, so it be more natural. Now this is okay, but let me show you another way of achieving this effect. Right-click on Magnify Effect and select Clear to delete it. Go to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your video. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Transform, click on Ellipse button to create a mask. Drag the mask onto your subject and use the handles to change it. Now increase the scale property and change anchor point values so your subject will be visible. And at last, increase the feather a little bit. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.